are asked to find standard deviation of both the traditional and the flipped classroom data. So I'm going to do this on the graphing calculator. I've gone ahead and already entered the information into the calculator, but you want to enter it into the lists. So to get to the list, you'll press the Stat button and hit Enter, and that lets you edit the list. So what I did is I put the data for the traditional classroom as my list 1, and the data for the flipped classroom is my list 2. And you could do this in 2 parts. You could just do them both in list 1 and just, clear the list out in between. But to make the video go a little quicker, I've got them in list 1 and list 2. So then what we're going to do is find our standard deviation. So I'm going to press the Stat button again, and this time I'm going to go over using the right arrow to Calc, and then I'm going to select number 1, which is one variable statistics. So it defaults to list 1, and that's where my traditional data is located. So that's what we're going to get first. You want frequency list to be blank, which it defaults to. If there was something else here, you'd have to delete that, but mine is blank. So I can go ahead and hit calculate. And it gives me my standard deviation. Standard deviation, it says sample standard deviation. Let me be clear here. Sample standard deviation. It's going to be 8.594 because it wants it to 3 decimal places. So I can go ahead and enter that in, 8.594. So then I'm going to find the standard deviation of the flipped course. So I'm going to repeat the process. So I'm going to hit Stat again, over to Calc, one variable statistics, but this time I want to enter list 2. So you can see above the number 2, it says list 2. To access it, I'm going to hit second, and then number 2, it just changes it to list 2 for me. So here, the sample standard deviation is 7.768. So in this case, the traditional course has more dispersion. It's got a larger standard deviation. I hope that helps.